How to redeem Uber Eats gift card. Once redeemed, your Uber gift card is applied to your Uber Cash or Uber Credit balance, which can be used during checkout on Uber or Uber Eats. When you check out on Uber or Uber Eats, your Uber Cash or Uber Credit balance will likely already be chosen as your primary way to pay. Well, it is a great way to thank your customer and reward your team. So, in order to redeem Uber Eats gift card, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your Uber Eats. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to your profile at the top left corner. The option of wallet will be visible to you. Head over to it. At the bottom, you'll see the option of Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Card. Click on it. Now click on Gift Card, and it will land you on the interface where you'll be able to apply your gift card PIN. Once you apply your gift card, you will be able to get certain amount of discount as a gift. And also your gift card will be redeemed successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Uber Eats gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.